Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix ShareX hotkeys not working on ShareX in 2026. So if your shortcut keys are not responding, screenshots are not triggering, or nothing happens when you press a hotkey, yeah, this guide will help you fix it step by step. First, open ShareX and go to the hotkey settings. Check if your shortcuts are actually assigned correctly. Sometimes they get removed after updates. Next, reset your hotkeys to default. This often fixes broken or missing shortcut configurations. Now check for conflicting shortcuts. If another program is using the same hotkey, ShareX won't respond properly. Next, make sure ShareX is running in the background. If it's closed or stuck, hotkeys won't work at all. Now try running ShareX as administrator. Without admin permission, some hotkeys may not trigger correctly on Windows. Next, check if Disable Hotkeys is accidentally enabled inside Settings. If it is, turn it off immediately. Now close other overlay apps like Discord, Xbox Game Bar, or screen recorders that might interfere with keyboard input. Next, restart ShareX completely and try setting a new hotkey to test if it works. Now update ShareX to the latest version because older versions can cause shortcut bugs. Finally, restart your computer and test the hotkeys again. And that's it. You've successfully fixed ShareX hotkeys not working issue. Now your shortcuts should respond properly without any problems. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials like this.